What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Breaking the Vet Tech. I am back with another video. Y'all, today I'm gonna be by myself because my friend is not feeling well, but it's fine. I'm still gonna meet up with the bride-to-be. Congratulations, friend, again. I'm super excited. But I am about to head out and sightsee South Carolina, so I am super excited about this. Like I told y'all in the first video, I've never been here before, so but hopefully my friend is better for tomorrow because our wedding is tomorrow. And today was just going to be, you know, a day that we just kind of sightsee South Carolina. So you guys stay tuned.
Yes, it's recording. I'm the bride.
Y'all gonna be on YouTube.
I'm the groom to be.
And this is part of our wedding party. This is the mother of the bride.
Can't take my birthday.
And then almost dad of the bride. And then mother of the groom.
This is Michelle. Michelle over here. This is Chris, best man. The groom's mother, Renee.
So much. Man of honor. And then Ashton, you gotta be in the video.
You gotta get this tape.
Look at her. Aww.
Alright, you guys, we just finished eating. I told them to introduce themselves because I had to go to the bathroom real quick. But this is where we ate at. It's called Mark's Grill Marks. It was really good. I had a burger and fries. So now we're about to go to the waterfall. So you guys, we're off to downtown to the waterfall.
Spider-Man.
Huh? Oh, there's Spider-Man.
Is the red one recording?
Yeah. Oh. But you can still take a picture though.
Wait. Because that one is your movie.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Okay, there we go. Maybe?
No, it's this one right here. To
I
snap
thought
it.
it was.
Yeah.
You just snap it down.
It's okay. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool.
What? Tiffany's so unserious.
Go, bride-to-be!
What are you doing to that poor dog?
You gonna take a picture too?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
That's so funny. We'll get you a picture. Oh,
Sorry. Alright, you guys, we're almost to the waterfalls. I'm pretty excited. Oh, jeez. But we gotta take the elevator because it's easier for me. So, y'all, this is where we're going. It's way down there. So, but y'all see it once we get down there.
People would love them now.
Is it P? I think it's P.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Because I know upper, lower.
I don't think it goes too much.
I was like, you can't go below the park, right?
I don't think
Yeah, we down from the elevator. And this is where we're at now. You guys, one thing I'm liking out here so far is they're super dog friendly. So to all my technicians and the people that love animals, you guys, South Carolina is a place to be. They have people walking their dogs up and down, up and down, up and down. I just love it. I love that. Oh my God. Y'all, it's so pretty. I can't wait to take y'all to the waterfalls. We're stopping for a quick potty break really quick, and then we will be headed that way. But look, this is where I'm at so far. If I didn't already show y'all, this is where we're at. Pretty cool. The waterfall is like right in between there. Oh. Yep, so that's where we're at so far. I can't wait to see the actual view, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We don't have waterfalls or nothing like this in Louisiana, so I'm just super pumped. Super pumped. Okay, we'll be down in just a second, you guys. Stay tuned again. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, about to go across the Liberty Bridge to get to waterfall. So we're almost there.
Once you get further out, you start
Wait. What?
You don't feel?
No.
Once you get more in the center.
I'm scared. She said the bridge moves. What are you saying?
It moves just a little bit.
Just a lot of it. Oh my god, I think I do feel it.
Because you're more in the center
Girl.
of the bridge. They have these that are holding it up.
Look, nothing. We could just fall straight down.
Wait. Isn't that worth it?
Uh-huh. It is. It definitely is. It definitely is. Oh my god, y'all, we made it. Look at this. Oh, they in the waterfall. Y'all, look at this.
Me and Tiffany actually have like one ticket from here.
Uh-huh. Wow. It's so pretty. Y'all, I'm so mad my friend can't make it. Heather.
So
Tell them about it, girl.
So Greenville actually used to be an industrial city.
Yeah.
And it did not look this good.
Yeah. So it's
all
way
of
better.
This, they kind of just rebuilt within the last maybe 15, 20 years.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful.
It's so pretty.
Like, look, you can go down there and just chill on the rocks.
Yeah, like look at that, y'all. Look, we can just sit down there and chill. The people below us. Y'all, this is so exciting. I don't know what to think. I really don't know what to think. Ashley, tell them, man. Like, it is. Like, this is crazy. Oh my god.
We're gonna have to go all the way around.
Y'all, look at this angle. I'm giving y'all all angles. Come to South Carolina, y'all. Greenville, South Carolina. All my vet tech people, where y'all at? Tune in. All my vet dead people. This is crazy. So this, the Falls Forgotten, I guess, is what it's called. It has a little history of it. This is crazy, y'all. Y'all, look at the hotel. Hotel/restaurant.
Oh, yes.
Y'all want to go see it?
Yeah. This is where they're staying.
This is where who's staying?
Them?
Oh, fancy pants.
Yes. It is so
Jealous.
pretty. So, over here there's the art gallery, I believe it is, right here.
Yeah.
Like last time we walked through it.
Oh, this is pretty cool. Yeah. This is nice. Y'all, look at this. This is craziness. I'm so jealous. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to do two things at one time. Okay, y'all, look at this. We're about to go inside. Ashley about to take me inside to actually see what's in here. Waiting on Tiffany too. Wait, where is she?
Look, even the rocks like that is a buffalo.
It's a buffalo. Really?
Come this way.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. at that. A whole buffalo. That's staying here.
Expensive.
Oh, I'm sure. Y'all staying here for the wedding? I mean, after the wedding?
Me and Ben are staying here one night after the wedding.
That's exciting. It's really pretty here.
It is really pretty. I know.
That's what she was just saying. That's exciting, man. Okay, we're about to go in. Yeah,
I think they're doing
that's what we were saying. We was like, oh, a lot of people getting married here, taking pictures. Yeah. You're next.
I know. Her dress is gorgeous. She's got her little beads in her hair.
Yeah, that's pretty.
I was telling her, I was like, just think of that as like the biggest man cave
Ever.
Yes.
Yes. I mean, it's got like all of your books on the shelf and all your books over
And
there.
it has rifles in it too. Yeah, it has rifles.
That's pretty cool.
I was telling her, like, this is a big one. She's like, I was thinking of shape like a peanut.
Okay, guys. So one of the songs, me and Ben came up here after he asked me out. Officially, and there was a guy playing at the piano, and it was the song by Elton John, your song, and I know that song. So that will be our song that we dance to at the wedding.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Cute.
Aw, y'all, she's so pretty. So pretty.
I did pick up on
Huh? Or just. Okay. It's never too late to find love. They say keep trying. If you don't try, it's just like, I'm done after this.
It hit me like a brick is what it did.
This is like the perfect like man.
Wow, look at this, y'all. What?
Just the whole.
Oh,
And like,
yeah, that's cool. Oh my God, y'all look at the guns on the wall. That's crazy.
and if you look, these books are real.
They're real? Really?
All the books you can take out the shelves and everything.
I thought they were fake. I ain't gonna
like
lie.
even the books when we first walked in, you can take
They
them out the shelf.
really?
We were taking every book out
Girl,
the shelf.
what? That is insane.
Did you see the
Bro, look at this.
Oh, I'm sitting and watching the water from it.
It's so pretty. Wow. Another view of the waterfall, guys.
She was over here taking pictures.
How's it going?
She gonna ask him what he do for a living.
Oh, I work at a lab. I study mold.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's pretty cool.
See?
I was telling
that's
them
pretty
about
cool.
the story that you saved the people on the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was the one time someone actually filmed something I did.
Oh,
That's pretty cool.
that's so cool.
Who's just interested?
Okay, cool.
We don't have that in batteries.
No, we don't.
Oh, you guys are visiting?
She
Yeah.
lives here. We're visiting.
Yeah, we're visiting.
Oh, welcome to Greenville. People love J Mark.
Oh, look, the limo.
Pretty interesting.
They do it. I didn't think you was gonna really ask him.
You tell me to do something, I'm gonna do it.
I forgot you. I know where you work at, so you ain't scared of nothing, baby. Ain't scared of a doggone thing. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You so silly.
You're so good till I got this bone.
Huh?
I've got a bone disease.
Oh no.
And they give me infections in my bones.
Oh man.
And it ain't helping.
Yeah. We shouldn't have had you out here like that, huh? Yeah. Oh,
I'm
you have
70.
to. Oh
I don't
yeah.
want to lock up.
No, I understand. Oh
But
man.
it hurts. Today it hurts.
Oh.
But I've seen too many people my age sit on a mobile chair and never get up.
Right. Ooh, we.
Oh, the insomnia cheesecake cookie?
Yes.
Don't be pushing mama like that now. Yeah.
She got you on video.
Try everything.
Psycho.
Gotta go.
The hand that was in
I got him. Got him.
okay. I'm gonna live with it.
If you ever want attention, just put yourself in a superhero outfit.
I think I'm looking at Wonder Woman.
Right? I'm being Incredibles.
Elastic Woman.
Right?
If you were ever depressed, dress up as Spider-Man, meet everybody.
Right. That's what I'm saying. Like, oh, you guys, I got insomnia. That's the best cookie place ever. We're going to the ice cream place, you guys.
Do they have coffee in here?
You need ice cream.
Please, just to smell
Thank
this place.
you.
And I'm dying.
Right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get some ice cream from Jenny's Ice Cream. Okay, gotcha. That makes it easier on me. Any samples for anyone?
Yeah, can I? Oh, go ahead.
Sorry.
Go ahead. I want to try the honey vanilla bean one. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Try the miso butterscotch and the caramel apple crumble. Oh, this is a nice little.
Pretty good. That one. This is good.
Butterscotch brownie kind of tastes like a whiskey drink or something.
Oh, does it? This is kind of fancy, these little spoons. What you think about? I think I'm gonna do the honey vanilla bean. I'm a picky person, so I don't like anything extra. Oh, fancy. You want what? You do not need ice cream and the drink. I definitely do. Definitely do. Ooh. Are you getting a double dough?
Yeah, I'm getting 2 scoops of the birthday cake and 1 scoop of the double dough.
Oh, cool. Fancy. And a ginger ale? Everybody water.
I'm not doing that.
It's water. You don't like it? You don't like it?
Like I do, but it's like.
I know. I want the honey vanilla bean. Yes, ma'am. Can I do the honey vanilla bean? What is this, like a half a cone?
So that is our traditionally half scoop. Standard is 2.
Okay, let me do
You
it.
can choose for your order.
Okay. How much is the ice cream cone? You have the cone, like the extra cone? Yeah. I could do that. 2 scoops. Yes, ma'am.
A double dough on the bottom with a burnt orange dream.
You like the burnt orange? It's good?
Yes, girl. You want a bite? It's really good.
Oh,
Tastes like a fish
I'm
pop.
cold. I don't want you to get sick.
Tastes like a fish pop.
Does it really? What did he get? Chocolate?
Darkest chocolate. He loves chocolate.
Really, Ben? The darkest chocolate?
The darkest chocolate.
Oh, gosh.
The darkest?
The darkest
We gotta
chocolate?
take a picture.
Oh, yeah, with all the ice cream. Look at him. What you getting, friend?
I got the milkiest chocolate and a waffle.
Oh, I thought you didn't like the milkiest chocolate. You like it?
No, I do. It's close.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, love. I think that's it. She's the last one. It's mine. We got ice cream. We got ice cream. We got an ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream for ice cream.
Tell them what you got.
I got 2 scoops birthday cake, 1 scoop cookie dough.
Cookie dough. I got honey vanilla bean.
My third choice.
Yeah, I see. I'm so picky, so I have to get something that's just like simple.
No, I really wanted it, but I was like, these other things help.
I want to try something new.
I was like, do we pass the Starbucks? Yeah, where is it? Over there. Yeah, it has to be. Yeah, so it's fine.
It's right there. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
They do have Starbucks.
Yeah, we talked to the
Right over there.
Wait a minute. Oh, it's right there. Look. Yeah.
Oh, is this on our way home, you all?
It's right there.
Yeah, you guys are parked right here.
Is this what we come home?
We're right up there.
Oh,
We go to the park.
How's it tasting? Pretty good. You over there quiet, so you know it's good.
Much needed. Ah! Yay!
What happened?
Did you get that on video?
I missed it. I think I missed it.
I caught him off guard though.
Gonna get some Starbies really quick for Mama in the front. And then I'll catch you when we leave downtown. Okay, y'all, we are back from sightseeing and stuff. So now we're about to go have dinner. So I did like a quick little change, you guys, for dinner. They're coming to pick me up. So I don't know where exactly we're going, but it's supposed to be a nice place as well. So can't wait for you guys to see it. Yeah, so stay tuned. Alright, guys.
Oh,
We
a
made it
twin.
here. It's like a castle. It's pretty cool. Alright, you guys, we made it to dinner, and this is pretty cool. Let me zoom it out. Oh, sorry. Zoom in. And I got LSU on the screen behind me, y'all. Y'all see it? Sorry, I'm trying not to get left.
A
Oh.
lot of people dressed up like they're homecoming.
Oh, that makes sense.
Because I'm like, it's too early for the prom, right?
Yeah, way too early.
That's a pretty dress.
Homecoming. Oh yeah, because our high school had homecoming too. That's right.
Yeah.
That's what
so
it is.
That is.
LSU on the screen, y'all. We losing. I want to take a picture by that waterfall. Is everybody here already?
Ben and Ashlyn are on their way.
Okay.
Peter said he was here. That's our DJ.
Okay. Oh, DJ. Come on, DJ.
Oh.
There you are.
This is the front.
Okay. Yeah. So first one.
Yeah, this is
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Brika. Nice to meet you. What? Brika.
Brika? Okay.
Yep. I don't think you remember that.
Johnny.
Brika. Nice to meet you.
One of my really good friends.
Yep.
Sorry. Nice to meet you. But they're over there. Yeah, she's over here. Oh, yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Hey there.
Patty.
Jeff.
Jeff.
Thank you there.
Patty. This is Johnny.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. That's Peter.
That tower right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, you guys, we're walking to the tower. Ash, where you at? Oh. I was like, where you at?
Okay.
Come on, go, Tiger.
Here you go, these.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
High five. Oh.
whole chair you can
Oh my gosh. That's crazy. We're dancing. So, hubby has a surprise for the bride. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my god, y'all look. Oh, that's so pretty. She is gonna, oh my god.
Oh,
She is gonna love that. Oh, husband, you better throw down for my friend. You better. Cause she got friends that don't play. I'm just saying. All right, you guys. We're waiting to eat. I'm excited. This is so pretty though.
Oh, when you go upstairs, it's even better.
What? Up this way?
Like on the other side, it gets even better, I promise.
Oh Jesus, there's more to come. There's more to come. nice. What is all of this? Mix.
I'm so glad I got to see you. Carbon Street Burgers.
Another burger place? I'm not getting no more burgers.
No, I think in here they have like different locations.
Right, that's what I said. This will be my third burger. I don't want no more burgers. We ain't gonna be number 3 of this AP poll this week. Our offense is trash, so I knew that was gonna happen sooner or later. Our defense is good, but our offense is trash.
We're mad at these animals right now.
Wait, what?
I said, don't let me get another burger.
I don't want another burger either. That's what I said. This will be my third burger if I get another burger.
Same.
Yes. I can't do no more burgers. Me neither.
People are, they have bad taste.
I know, I'm like, I want to make sure y'all like smoky stuff.
Ooh, what I want? Great goose.
Would you like me to grab you to be a water while you can all that over?
Let's do that.
Yeah. With lemon or without?
Without.
Without, you got it.
Thank you.
Maybe I'll just have nachos for dinner. I just don't want a burger.
Me neither. I can't eat no burger. I just eat a burger.
Are you getting your vocal face in this video on purpose? You're like, I was so cute talking on the phone. Yeah, I just think I know. I love that for you. I'm gonna get being on my phone in the video. I'm on my
That's what this is from.
Guys,
Yeah.
let me. I mean, I see you.
Yeah.
On my way.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
Oh, she's about to be by her man.
Perfect.
Wait. What did he say?
No. Wait. He bought the new one?
Oh man, that's so sweet.
Those are so pretty.
Aww. That's so pretty. Oh, y'all, so sweet.
No. Love that.
Right.
Y'all just put it together.
Put it those flowers yourself. I said, imagine you putting those flowers yourself. The work.
Yeah, that's a lot of work.
Work. That's so cute.
You better work. You better work, Mr. Big. Better show my friend a good time.
I just reached across the
I'm scared of nachos because that's what I don't know if that's what got Heather sick or not.
Yeah, but you need a year.
Right, that's true. Oh, they got cheesecake.
But it's an alligator cheesecake. I was gonna say, cause I had an alligator cheesecake once when I went to Louisiana, and I said, I'm not doing this again.
Yeah. That was so pretty.
Yeah, we could just do like a Luna's Little House margarita.
I thought she didn't like the barbecue.
You can't trust a word she says.
Because at first she was like, I'm gonna get a ribeye with. Now she's saying what you got.
Getting a whole nacho plate to myself while you eat fries and they eat salad.
It's fine.
Now I'm gonna have to make people eat some of my nachos.
Oh my god. It's fine. About to take a picture. that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for part 3 of my South Carolina trip. Oh my god, to see my friend as a veterinarian get married. It's tomorrow, so stay tuned for that for wedding day. Again, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so y'all know when I, Freaking Vet Tech, post another video. Until the next video, guys, bye.